Alright. I'm live. Okay. I'm also completely new at this too, so yeah, if I have like, I'm also learning this too, so yeah. I don't feel too good. Like this morning, I had like a pretty high temperature. Like the thermometer was going crazy this morning. Like it was like going beep 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 beep. Yeah. I have a Pixar application open as well, along with my editor here. I just hope nothing goes wrong. And I have one VR. I'm completely like jumping into this. I got a little bit of stuff done. Only a little bit. Because like everything else I typically forget after I learn. So like that means like I'm basically just stupid. And also before this I was having like really bad technical issues. Like I was really angry over my computer being really slow and Eclipse not working the way it's meant to be due to a random thing that keeps yelling at me over two things trying to be built at once. And also these two projects for some reason got built into my D drive for some reason. And I honestly don't know why, but afterwards I'm planning on booting the game up on two flash drives and opening the game that I'm making right now onto both my computer and my dad's computer, hopefully. And if I can't do that, then, I don't know. I'll figure some way out. I'm trying to figure out how to code all this too, so if you see me looking at my iPad, that's just me looking at a few documents on figuring out how to do stuff. I'm not at all professional. I'm just some random kid on the internet. Well, not really kid, but still. I'm thinking of making it first a treasure adventure game, and then it'll turn into a sort of dungeon crawler. But I'm completely new to, not completely new, but like sort of just bad at game development. So I'm like pulling up documents on my iPad left and right, trying to figure out how to do certain things that I don't know how to do. So yeah, like perhaps build a J-frame. I don't know what to call it, so I'm just calling it our J-frame. Also, I'm speaking into my microphone right now. I hope it's nice and clear. I haven't been streaming for like, I don't know, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks maybe. Because I've been a little bit sick. By a little bit, I mean like really sick. Like, it's not even funny. But, I'm just kind of getting off of a really bad cough too, so F's in the chat please for my cough. That is so bad. I have to remember that I'm not recording and this cannot be edited. I have to remember that because every time something weird happens with my computer, I have a tendency to kind of rage and like try to smash my computer. I have a really, really bad, awful patience. So like I have no patience for lag. So like that interferes with a lot of things. But I try my best to not rage everywhere. I got completely unfocused. Okay. I gotta try to focus. I gotta focus. Window. No, I'm gonna make a window and set title. What is the title gonna be? I don't know the title. You know what? We'll just call it. Oh great, why isn't it not? Okay. And wait, what is this stream called? Okay. I completely forgot what I called this stream. I was just checking to make sure I didn't unname it or something. I named it the right thing. Because I was gonna make a devlog on building this escape game, but then I ended up accidentally loading it into a folder on my D drive, or one of my hard drives. I don't know which one exactly, but yeah. If I do end up coughing, like at some point in this stream, that's because I'm getting off of a really nasty cough. Like it was really bad. Yesterday it was like awful. Well, you don't want to know. If you do want to know, you might like regret wanting to know completely because yeah, it was gross yesterday. Like snot. Like I coughed up a bunch of mucus vest like yesterday, like in class, and like all of it went like flying out my nose. Like it's not funny too. So if anyone's laughing at that, you shouldn't laugh. It's not funny. It was gross. It was absolutely grody and like, ugh. I completely regret saying that now. Because now everyone in the chat is gonna be screaming, why did you say that? Wait. I'll probably do a location. If this thing wants to work, I'll set to null. And then set visible. Okay. True. Dad, leave. I'm live. Please. Thank you. I have to make a game panel. Oh gosh. I question the things I do. I'm hoping to launch this game on my own website when I get around to making a website. I know how to make one, it's just I forgot how to like figure out everything about like HTML, so I have to basically relearn that because I believe I learned it in school. Actually I did, like early on in 7th grade is when I learned HTML in school, so yeah. Oh, yay, great. I have to cancel this because I'm not waiting like 10 billion years. Yeah, I'm not waiting 10 billion years for that to load because it actually won't work. Oh, for God's sakes! Oh, God. Yeah, I hate when that happens. I'm sacrificing time and space on my computer right now. Alright, so I made a JPanel available to us. Here is where the JFrame is. Here is going to be where the JPanel is. All the source code for it. I have to make a, hold on, a thing for, what, screen settings. Let's see. If I want to go for screen settings, honestly, I should probably have called this class something else, but anyway, deal with it. I'll deal with it. Why am I talking like? Okay. Thinking, I don't know how big I want the tiles to be. I have like my laptop next to me on the desk, like over right where I'm looking, and then I have a gigantic monitor, then I have my microphone over here, and then I have my device I monitor chat on. And occasionally I might check OBS. Great. Why does it say building down there? Why? Why are you building something right now? I do not. Did I give you permission to build? No. So it shouldn't be building if I don't give it permission. When I go to bed, I'm gonna. Whenever I do go to bed, I'll make it so it updates all that. Wait, original. Might set it to, yeah, original tile size. Was what? What number? 16. I'll go with 16 for now, and then I'll figure out what you guys say, and then I'll check the chat after I'm done live streaming to see what you guys were saying. In parentheses, I put in Java so you guys would know the language I'm using, or the language I use, or have been using lately. What am I saying? Good. Apparently my brain doesn't work. Do you guys love it when you just forget what you want to say? Sorry if I am a bit annoying. I'll probably make it what? It's gonna be 16 by 16 probably for the tile. Gonna find a few images on what my 16 by 16 things are gonna be. It's basically, I was gonna do 8 by 8, but I guess I could do 16 by 16. I don't know. What am I gonna do right? I gotta figure out what I want to put. I want to draw actually for the 16 by 16. Let's go for a, I don't know. Actually, this is gonna take forever. I'm gonna take a few tutorials. If this does take forever, then I might take a few tutorials. Like, eventually. I don't know. I'll figure out something. I'm gonna figure something out. That's good. This can be drawn something basic. Save. Wait, where's the thing? Great. Great. Awesome. Folder. Res. Save. That's just to show you what I know how to do. Leave, please. I'm live. Alright. I don't know what to put next. I don't know. I'm gonna probably choose like a weird demon monster thing. I don't know. Something, okay? Let's do some, I don't know, blue color. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, blue, this, that'll do. That's good. And then here is the thing's face. that's the yeah, I don't know, the demon person thing. I don't know. Zero, zero, one. I don't know what's next. What should I do? What do I do? Should I do a snow monster? Should I? If I do, then I'll probably make them pretty big. Definitely. No, it'll make a weird there, okay. The thing, the snow monster is gonna be like white, and then with spots of black. Yeah, wait. God dang it! What did I do? Wait. Load. God. Wait. Program. Wait, no, yes. Wait. God damn it. No, what? Snow monsters? Nah. What do I do? Should I do trees? You know what? I'm gonna do trees, actually. A pretty bright texture. Alright. I'm aware of what this looks like. I don't know. Here's gonna be light. Three. Let's draw like an actual like demon monster. Let's see. A pink mouth, and then let's see. You know what? That looks good. I'm gonna call this Demon 001. The demons will be found in the darker areas, or actually they could be found anywhere, but it depends on the biome. In hellified areas, they might be more found like all over the place, but in like snowy, like Arctic areas, they might be found like scattered, but like not everywhere, but like one or two in like one of those areas. Let's see. And then for this one, I was thinking of a really tall, lanky monster. I don't know why I was thinking a tall monster. And then should I draw like a weird, awkward, like him carrying around like thing? Wait, actually, resize that. Actually, keep that at 16. Know what? What should I call this guy? Demon. Should this guy be another type of demon that you encounter? Like demon 2. And then, oh no. Zombified demons, zombified like soldiers. In like dungeon areas, the demons would send soldiers over to stop the player from ruining their dungeons and homes type of storyline. Let's see. I'm thinking a weird type of game, like scary, 2D type of game, treasure hunts and dungeon crawler, Doom style type of game. Like, I want the demons to be like they were in, I don't know what game, probably Doom is probably the best game I could think of. This is not a replica though, this is like a different game idea. Demon Soldier 001. Demon soldiers are gonna be the more common enemies. Let's keep them at 16. Let's see. Let's call this guy a what do I call him? What should I call him? A demon priest or something? Demon fied priest. Is that what I should call him? No, it removed the fied because no artwork. I want like I don't know. Robotic type of character. Like Robo demon, cyborg demon. Oh no. Should I like have that like going? And then like up here there's like this. And then yeah, I'm just doing the art style for the game. Export. Sign. Robot. Demon. Is there a refresh button? Ah. Demon soldiers are gonna be the most common, I think. That's how it should be in the game. And then I'll get to work on the texturing for the terrain and whatnot. And then I'll use my own inputs. I hope you guys don't yell at me for cloning another game that you guys know of, but I know of these other games I'm not currently cloning or something. And I played some pretty good Minecraft clones on my iPad too, so yeah. They're all pretty good, like all of them. I'll start programming this. I want to draw like a 16 by 16 pixel range. Why is there... Can I cancel this user operation? Can I cancel it? Thank you. What do I put? What do I do? You know what? Scale equals probably 3. And tile size equals original tile size times scale. No, I'll do that. And I know for a fact that this would equal 48. Give me your input. After the stream, I'll go over all the things going on in chat and what you guys were talking about. And I will see what I could do to change anything. And if I can't change anything, I might try to implement some of the things you talk about into the game. I don't know what I was doing, but I'll go with anything. Screen. I'm not sure if I should do this. That might work. I don't know. put a 16 in there. I just put my head right up against the microphone. I'm gonna implement something that most people probably wouldn't think about implementing, but yeah. I typically see with a game like this, like a 16 by 16 type thing going on with the columns and rows. You know what? I'm gonna make it 12. Feel free to yell at me about the games, about those games, but honestly, I don't really mind how they look. Sometimes I play Doom every once in a while. Do you guys ever play that? It's a good game. Like, it's probably one of my favorites. It's good for when you need to unwind. I typically spend most of my time in video games like Doom or I don't know. I play the original Doom, by the way, not the newest ones. Although I do own the newest, I just don't play the newer Doom games that much. I only play the only one that I got like a few hours in, like Doom 1993 edition. And Doom Eternal, I played a little bit, but I'm not sure because my computer could only handle like old. My computer runs well with really old games, but absolutely hates newer games. So whenever I try to play Doom Eternal on this laptop, it just crashes. So I don't even get to play it that often. And when I do get to play it, it's typically for me to unwind after a long day. But then I always get angry over it due to it being so long on my laptop. And yes, I did say laptop, so maybe that might be why. I also wish I could get a new computer and a lot of storage. So, yeah. But it's also Christmas, so who knows? Maybe one of my family members might be able to do that for me. Do I do tile size? No, I don't. I'll put tile size because, why not? Christ, did I just... Times. I don't know what to put. I'll figure it out. I'll put max screen. I don't know. And then I'll figure out screen height. Equals tile size times max alright. Just 48 by something. So it might be it might be around 760 pixels. Wait, no. I got backwards. This is 768 pixels. And this is what? 576? I'm doing some mental math. Because the tiles have a certain set number of pixels in them. Each one of these would be 48 by 48 too, so yeah. So it would be that, whatever I have there. Sorry if I sound sick, that's because I'm getting off of like a really bad sickness. I mentioned that at the beginning of this. They took today off from school due to the sickness being that bad. I mentioned it at the beginning too. Did I just... What do I put there? You know what? Yeah. Do I put... I'm also kind of looking stuff up, that way I could figure out what to put to get certain things to work. Wait, is it panel or pane? I honestly don't know if this should be pane or panel. But in case, I'm gonna put panel. I am not at all professional at doing this. I'm an absolute dummy when it comes to doing this. So if you ask me any questions about what to do, just don't expect an accurate answer. It's awesome to see what you create. What do I put? New mention. I really am not feeling good. Just yeah. I can't wait for winter break or whatever. That way I could actually stream a little bit more of this. I'll occasionally work on separate side projects live, like I don't know. I don't know what the final name would be. What should I call the project? Like the final name. I'll wait for y'all's input whenever I'm completely finished a project. But when I'm finished, I'll look at everyone's input in the chat, and if it's expired by that point, the stream, I know Twitch expires streams. I know they do for a fact. Facts. Import dimensions. This is good. I'll do set background. I'll do set background. The background color won't be at all accurate to what's going on in the game. Dot black. By the way, when I'm done the project, I'll boot the game onto two USB sticks for both me and my dad to test. And also I might boot it up onto a Linux PC just to make sure it works on there. Knowing the Linux things, I was thinking of making my laptop Linux, but then I realized how big of a pain that would be due to watching a few YouTube videos on how to get Linux installed on a Windows laptop, of which I'll probably wipe my C drive, although there is Minecraft on that, but come on, I could always reinstall that. Can I? Unless you're talking about Bedrock Edition. These flash drives, I believe, are only 16 gigs, so I definitely am not able to get Ubuntu installed on these and run Ubuntu on my laptop. That's a Linux distro, BOA distribution, for those not tech nerds out there who watch tech streams or whatever. I'm an absolute nerd when it comes to tech. Honestly, I probably shouldn't do this. But if I do end up vomiting on stream, then that's the stopping point. If I do end up getting like that bad, because I have been sick for a little while, and that's why I haven't been streaming for how long I wanted. Minefront is a discontinued project. It's a completely discontinued project due to an error I encountered due to following a tutorial online, and the code that tutorial uses out of date, so I had errors and had no idea how to fix it. Yeah. So maybe you guys might be able to help me out with that, so yeah. Make sure to check out my YouTube. Should be linked somewhere in the about section. Should be. Not that it is, but it should. Should be. Gonna save it. Okay, stop building. Okay, you can stop building now. Okay, how long have I been streaming for? My hard drive's going ham right now. Like, it's going crazy, the hard drive. It's like really loud. The amount of videos I handle on my for my YouTube are really bad. Like, I have a vlog channel that is completely discontinued. Like, I haven't posted on there for like 6 months. And then I have like a bunch of other channels I discontinued, and one that I never even posted a single video on called Nick Media Group Speedruns. I was thinking of making a speedrunning channel. And then you have my main YouTube account, which is Nick Media Group, which sometimes I like to put some of my Twitch streams on there for in case of things. Also, if you do go there, expect this to be there as soon as I turn my laptop off. So, yeah. Which might be up by this morning or tomorrow morning or something on there. I do not have any other social media accounts. And my Nick Media Group account is only a way for our Bell group here. Down in the living room is a complete mess too, so yeah, that's why I never go down there, is because it's an absolute mess. Typically because my dad is a complete slob and like, God. I was completely unfocused. I need to get focus. I might use, what's it called? Unreal Engine 5 eventually. Game panel. Also, I might make a few videos on Java syntax or basic Java syntax, because that's why I am basic. I only know how to code via tutorials. I even tried to make a programming language, but yeah, that was a complete failure. Trust me, you don't want to know what happened, because it didn't even work when I tried to load it. That's how bad it was. Like, it was a programming language no one asked for. I tried making an OS that no one asked for, and yeah, well, the entire thing was an absolute fail because I didn't have a compiler for assembly, and I didn't know, and then I installed one, and then I didn't even know how to use assembly, and then yeah, it was a complete mess for the OS development. Programming language development was a mess. I tried making an OS in Java, which was an absolute fail because I can't figure out the exact resolution of my monitor, so I chose like a bunch of random numbers and it actually worked. Alright. Enough babbling. Let's get to this. AKA, enough of me being sidetracked. It's yelling at me over me not implementing one thing. One thing! It's a J panel too. I know what a J panel is. After I finish game development, I'll make a stream of testing the game on both my laptop and my dad's laptop. My dad's laptop is a really old laptop, by the way, that runs Windows 8, so chances of this game running on that are, well, next to impossible. So, yeah. I keep telling him to install Linux. That way we could actually test it on both Windows and Linux. He never did it. He never did. So, yeah. I keep telling him that maybe he should get like a VM going of Linux. He's like, what's a VM? I'm like, oh, be quiet. So, like, I just don't want to talk to him about VMs. I want to make a virtual machine too for my programming languages. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not feeling good. So if I do vomit on stream, that might be when I stop if I do vomit. And also there's knowers, so yes! Yo! What does game panel do? Should I do something? I won't render a game panel. I have to implement that, really. Do I really have to implement that? Yeah, I'll debug it, I guess. Yeah, this is all I'm gonna get, it seems. It's like really late. It's like 11 p.m. If there is quality issues, I'm sorry about that. By the way, that says a 2D adventure. Here is where the file is saved onto. Right here. I have a VM of Linux, Ubuntu. So maybe I could get my dad onto that and live stream him trying to use Linux for the first time in his life. Honestly, I just try to find a way to roast him the best way. Oh, and also I'm the best prankster too, so yeah. Okay, so keeps on building. It keeps building a file that I already deleted like a long time ago. No, I might hold on. Properties, build path, modules, add class folder, my 2D game, res. Class folder. rest. It implemented that as a library. So this is now a library. So I can put files in it and it'll be saved as a part of the game. That's from my, learnings. What do I implement? What should I implement? Probably, I don't know. Typically, I'd implement, it would always be runnable, probably. I wonder how many settings there are. Sometimes I like to play with my ears a little bit. So that's add unimplemented methods. Okay. Alright. I also tried to make a game engine once in Java that absolutely failed due to a really old, like, Java SE 1.7 tutorial. And it was a complete failure. You don't want to know how bad it was. Like, it didn't even start. It didn't even start. It just crashed is all it was good for. Like, occasionally I'd give like someone a copy of the source code to that. And yeah, they even agree that it was an absolute mess. Like somebody massacred someone. It's cringe. It's cringe. That's what I'm trying to say. Sometimes, know what the only thing Dad does is he occasionally does the good old opera in the shower. It sucks. Trust me. It is bad. It is bad. It is so bad that it's like one of those slasher movies type of bad. Yeah, alright. I'll make a new thread. Wait, should I implement stuff in there? Like, I don't know, this? That's what I usually implement. I implemented a lot of stuff actually. I am also learning how to make a pretty good game. I want to learn how to make a game like Minecraft as well in Java. Or like one of Notch's games. Like a game like it, like in the style, but not exactly like it. Like it'll basically be like Minecraft, but with, I don't know, RTX on, and it'll be stuck at RTX on type of game. I can't count how many games I played that only allowed RTX, and I was not able to play it because I only have a GTX graphics card. I know it's bad, but I have no money to get a new computer with, and like, yeah, and then it's like, yeah, and then great. Probably because I below everything with food. Yeah, I'm a really big food person. Like, all I could eat is McDonald's buffet. Like, every day is all I eat. It's not healthy, but it's what I like. The definition of unhealthy is probably me, but honestly, I probably shouldn't have shared that because now everyone's gonna be like screaming, ew. I can't count how many times I've had that happen on YouTube and other platforms. Is the microphone picking me up okay? From back here, from here? Is it picking me up okay? The microphone? I'm just gonna put my mouth over it. Yeah, I just tried to make a really loud noise in the microphone. That is not the best idea, because whenever someone goes to that point, it'll be like really loud. Annoying. I just saw unknown there, and then I realized unknown user added you or something like that. I don't know. So, the run function. It's easy. You learn. Pretty cool. To which no. I'm gonna say the game loop is running. Let's see. I don't have chat open currently. I should probably look at chat right now. Wait. I thought I had chat open. Wait. Is there anyone in chat? No, nothing. Why does it say... Oh. I should probably give this computer time to cool off if the bit rate is that high. I think the default bit rate for Twitch is supposed to be, what, 6,000? For new people, right? Am I correct on that? Or am I wrong? Like, am I off or am I correct on that? My goal in life, honestly, is just to get recognized as that one kid on, as that one, like, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if 13 or whatever would classify as kid. Or maybe it's just tween. I don't know. I honestly don't know the difference. I honestly probably should because I'll look that up. Not now, but I'll look that up eventually. And then I'll end up saying like something that I probably shouldn't say. So, start game thread. There. That's good. Have a really dry throat. Let's see. And that's the same. Have to like do all sorts of stuff to get this working. Actually make that screen. With the update information. Yep. I'm gonna leave comments in there for people. I just saw like a little Java document. What update and draw does. So I just copied that down as a reference for me to remember. That way I don't forget it like I always do, because I have a really bad habit to forget. But if I do ever delete projects like this, I'd always have a video like this to let me know what I was doing. Honestly, I should probably run this and see what it does. out, really. Oh god. You just have this loop of the game loop is running. The game loop is running. The game loop is running. But it appears every millisecond every time an update occurs, which is a lot. There's probably like a billion like the game loop is runnings in there. Should I do like should I name this like something else? I don't know. This is our player, so I should probably rename this to player if I could. Here I have an Ubuntu VM, by the way, for you guys wondering if I do use Linux. I only use it depending on what I'm doing. Update? Yeah, I'll do update. Set everything up first, and then I'll stop. I'll set everything up and hopefully you guys like where my face is, because it's covering nothing up right now except the console partially, but I set it up so it's only covering up a square area, so it might not be covering the console. Oh, I'll check the thing. Should I use Linux instead of Windows? That's a question for you guys. Linux or Windows? For OSs that I should use later on. I know Linux is difficult to navigate, but yeah. Should I like get these files onto USB flash drive just in case, like at whenever I'm done with them? I just found out how to open these things. These flash drives. They have a weird case on them. By the way, I'm like absolutely exhausted. I gotta get bed soon, so I might. It's getting burned a bit too bright, so I might turn this light off. By the way, those are hoodies. I'm gonna stand up. Am I in the frame, guys? Am I in the frame? Am I in the frame good? Wait, is my head in the frame? Can you guys see me? I'm really tall, so I had to adjust my monitor. I need to stand for a little bit because, you know, I'm at home. What else is there to do? I have a lot of stuff going on right now, like in my desk area. Wait, is Prince a thing? Hold on, I gotta search something up here. I'm not gonna do it on my laptop though, because I got my iPad next to me for this reason. That way I could always look at the code on my iPad and, like, you know, paint component. Right. I have a few documents on my iPad that I could use to code all this stuff in. I have a few things. Okay. I'm looking. You guys are probably looking at me like I'm some type of freak. Probably, I don't know. You guys are probably looking at me like that. Why can I not type? Should I get this file onto like a USB flash drive and then like edit it inside a USB flash drive? Because I have a USB drive on deck for if I need it. I'm going to use it so I could get one of my game files onto a different computer, and then I could work on it from there. You know what? I'm gonna sit down again because it's tiring to stand. All right, am I in the frame? Gonna check. I'm an absolute mess today. Probably because I'm getting off of like a cold that I've had for quite some time, like 4 or 5 weeks type long. I had a cold for like 5 weeks. Yeah, 5 weeks. Alright. Why does it always say unstable? Like, is it my laptop doing a synesthesia, or is it like, I don't know. I'm thinking I'm thinking too much today. 6G. Alright. Dude, it's actually pretty cold in my room right now. Maybe it's just me. Kind of tired. Is the thing, is it? I'll do towel size. And tile size. There should be small files. And if they're not, I don't know. This thing has this is gonna add like 1,000,000,000 kilobytes onto this and then make it impossible to boot onto one of these. Because because I'm really planning on booting it onto this and sacrificing my glorious microphone. But yeah, I might have to sacrifice my microphone for a flash drive, and then all of my audio quality will sound like garbage. But who cares? It's just audio, but you guys probably care, so. Is this a building? Yeah, it's like a 100 by 100 square. I am actually pretty tired. Ever since this morning, I've been tired, but then energized, but somehow always tired. Like exhausted type of tired. I'm gonna make a new class. Should I do a key input thing? I mean, like with Minecraft, I did a key input thing, but then I broke it accidentally, and then it just crashed after that point. I'm talking about Minecraft over here. Are you done? Key list. I'm exhausted right now. Get rolling. Oh god. If I fall asleep while streaming, I'm gonna be ridiculously embarrassed if I fall asleep live. I will be embarrassed. That makes me motivated to stay awake. What did I do? Christ. I'm gonna have to copy. Wait. Oh, it's an if, not a face palm. Hashtag Nick is dumb. That's a new hashtag now. It's not a good hashtag. Feel free to roast me. I don't care, honestly. I honestly don't care about being roasted. I mean, I had way harder burns. Really hard burns, and I didn't even crack at all. Like, burns as in roasts. Like, count the amount of times I've been roasted. Or obscene. I'm gonna implement a few booleans. Man, I really should get some sleep. Left. Do I do for right? What do I do for all this stuff? Actually, pretty much hurt. Sometimes I like to act like a goblin. Oh, God. Gosh. I'm exhausted. There's no space bar, as you can see. It's a 2D game, boys. After Are you kidding me? So, I'm wondering if I should end this because I'm absolutely exhausted and also don't want to fall asleep. You know what? I might end it. I might. Yes, I might stop streaming for tonight, and then I'll pick up again tomorrow. Tomorrow, whenever I could. So, hopefully y'all don't mind if I take a little break from this for a few days or something. I might take a little break from this for a few days for the holiday. By for a break for the holiday, I mean like a 2-day break for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Will be my break from this. Maybe I might make a little live stream of what we got or what I got. Right? I hope this doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting for that. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna stop.